Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Chat GPT widget on Motorola Razr 40. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click open. And here you can skip introduction, and now click open permissions, and you have to allow your application to display over other apps. So click here and then you can click back. Now you can click start, and as you can see, here is your Chat GPT widget, and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your desktop, just grab him into the middle on the X icon. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.